Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Bossman Meatloaf. First thing you're going to want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then you want to get 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef into the mixing bowl. To that, add 2 eggs. Then you want a table of Worcestershire sauce, or Worcester sauce, or however you pronounce that stupid name, Worcester sauce. Then you want to add about a tablespoon of sriracha. Then you also want to add a tablespoon of yellow mustard. Then you want to add a half a cup of breadcrumbs. And now it's time to add, of course, salt and pepper. And then you want to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Then you want to attach the paddle attachment, lock it in, and start giving this a good mix. Then you want to slowly start adding in a cup of milk and keep this mixing till everything is just combined. About 5-10 seconds till after you've added the last of the milk. And once that's done, you want to transfer it to a meatloaf pan, or really any loaf pan will work. But if you have it, I highly recommend using a meatloaf pan. You can find them on Amazon for about $25. Just trust me, they make life a lot easier. And then you want to pop this into the oven and bake it for 90 minutes. At the last 10 minutes of baking, you want to pop open your oven and spread some ketchup on the top of the meatloaf. So 80 minutes, and then the last 10 minutes of baking, add your ketchup. All right, the 90 minutes is up, thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, and I'm just going to cut into this a little bit. And there you have it, Bossman Meatloaf. Done. And I have to say, this was absolutely delicious.